Hello everyone, today I will show you how to set a picture in photo as a wallpaper. So now I am provide two different methods step by step, so follow my all process very carefully. So at first open photo apps to select picture. Now I am selecting this picture and then showing it to share option, click on to scroll down and then showing it to use as wallpaper, click on and then click on to add. If you want to change color and then click on to add, click on. Okay, now successfully add. Now I'm check. Look here, successfully change wallpaper. And the second method, open iPhone settings to scroll down, click on to wallpaper and then click on to customize, click on select image from your gallery, click on all and then select an image and press on to done. Okay, now done. So that's how we can easily change. So that's it, that's how we can do it.